It's warm out there right now, already here in Albuquerque.
Yes, 70 degrees, and we're not the
comfortable.
only ones. A lot of us are seeing some 70s. Cortez, Farmington, Deming, Las Cruces, all in the 70s this morning. And if you're not there, you are still pretty mild with the 50s and 60s out the door this morning. As we talk about some of the moisture in the air, we are starting to see it elevate, especially into our eastern zone. Still pretty dry as we get you off towards the east, but as we take a look at satellite and radar, you can see a lot of moisture through parts of Arizona right along that state line. We'll be watching for this to fall in just a very light form, possibly even just some sprinkles as we get you off to our west. But as we go through the day, our rain chance is going to increase, and it's really going to favor our northern zones again to the northern mountains. You're going to see a good chance for some of those afternoon storms developing, but we are going to keep the chance for rain stretching all the way down into the Sandias, and even parts of the metro area could get a spot shower or storm as we get you into the afternoon. So here's a look, Superstorm track. I've stopped the time at noon. Taos Raton, look at this steady pocket of rainfall, but again, this actually extends into parts of Las Vegas, even Santa Fe could pick up some decent rainfall. A lot of the moisture is going to stay for the northern half of the state and into parts of southern Colorado. But with that being said, I have put the chance for rain in the forecast for Albuquerque. So through the first half of the day, we are going to be staying dry, partly cloudy and warm, heating up quickly into the 80s. We'll get to about 82 degrees at noon, then mid 80s through the 5 o'clock hour with the chance for spot showers and storms really settling in during that time frame. About 4 to 6 is where we'll hold our best chance here in the metro area. But we'll peak at about 87 degrees, not getting into the 90s like we saw yesterday, but still pretty hot, still above average for this time of year. Then Santa Fe will get to 78, Los Alamos 78, and we will see a few of those 90s as we get you down towards TRC, Las Cruces. Now tomorrow and the next couple of days, our rain chance is actually going to go up. A little bit more widespread chance as we take you into our Friday. That I think is where we'll see our best chance for rain in the metro area. But as we take you into our Saturday, still holding on to the chance for a few isolated showers and storms. So I've taken you through the forecast rainfall amounts. This is the accumulation expected today and tomorrow. You can see the heaviest up towards the north and east, and some of these spots up to about 4/10 to even a half of an inch of rain possible. Elsewhere, as we move south and south into the southwest, we start to look for minimal rainfall. It's just trace amounts in some locations. So taking you through the next couple of days, southern Colorado, scattered afternoon storms possible today. Most of us in the upper 70s and low 80s, and the rain chance sticking around Friday into the weekend. As we get you into the north and west, partly cloudy skies with a spot storm possible. We'll get to 86 in Farmington, more 80s Friday and Saturday, but the chance for rain sticking around, actually going up Friday and Saturday. Into the south and west, partly cloudy skies. We should stay dry for the most part in the southwest today. We are going to track the chance for a dry thunderstorm, so we'll watch for that. That could bring some gusty wind conditions. Then tomorrow and Saturday, a much better chance for some of that moisture to fall from the sky. In the southeast today, a sunny start to the day, but a few clouds developing through the afternoon hours. Then Friday into the weekend, we'll keep the temperatures in the 90s and we'll bring the chance for rain and storms into the forecast. Into the northeast, partly cloudy skies today. Spot showers and storms will be possible. Could see some pockets of steady rainfall, and that rain chance will stick around Friday, Saturday, Sunday as well. Into the northern mountains, increasing clouds and scattered showers and storms possible today. A lot of us into the 70s, all the way up to 72 in Angel Fire, 78 in Santa Fe. Then tomorrow and Saturday, again holding on to that good chance for rain and storms. Into the eastern mountains today, low to mid 80s, 80 degrees in Estancia, 83 degrees in Edgewood. We'll have partly cloudy skies, and we'll also see some of the scattered showers and storms. And then into the metro area, still warm, well above average, about 5 degrees above average with the upper 80s, 87 in the South Valley, 88 in Los Lunas with a few showers possible. You could get a rumble of thunder, but for the most part, I think we're going to stay away from those thunderstorms here. But tomorrow, a much better chance for the rain and the storms, mid 80s. Then we'll start to dry the skies out Saturday night into early next week. And the 90s come back.
It'll be a little refreshing having the rain.
It will be. You know, we still need it. Rain always puts a damper on outdoor activities, but we're living in a drought. So